Ciao singer, welcome to my channel. I'm Ilaria, Italian singer and voice teacher. If you want to become a professional singer, subscribe and train your voice with me safely. Today we're gonna make a special exercise together to release tension in our body, the LuLu exercise. LuLu, 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 LuLu. This is an exercise for every singer because it helps you to get in touch with your body and to release tensions accumulated during a stressful day. So make it every day of your life. For this exercise, we will use the first 5 notes of the minor scale. This is a part of the natural minor scale. Out of the 3 minor scale, it's the natural minor scale which is generally considered to be the default. A lot of the time, particularly in pop music, when a piece of music is in a minor key, it will use the minor scale. Listen to these songs in a minor key.
I'm ready for love. Here comes a wave meant to wash me away. At times.
Before you start with the vocal warm-up, you need to warm up your body first. Pause this video and watch my complete body warm-up for singers. I want to give you some instructions before we start vocalizing. In this exercise, we will use the word LuLu. LuLu, 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 LuLu. To release tension in our body. I suggest you to make this exercise twice. The first time, do this exercise upside down like me. Take a deep breath and think about the yawn. For this exercise, use your head voice, don't push. As you sing, you should feel the tip of your tongue forward, gently tapping against your hard palate. Use your head voice. Remember it, you don't have to use a lot of air, the right volume is piano. In this exercise, we will sing notes from A2 to A3. If you feel uncomfortable with some notes, for example, if they are too high or too low for you, don't worry. Down below you found the keyboard so you can see in real time what notes you're singing. Okay, stand up and feel the rhythm. For this male version, I call a friend, the Argentinian guitarist, singer-songwriter Lucio Dipi. Welcome, Lucio!
Hola, soy Lucio Dipi y ahora seguime en el próximo ejercicio.
3, 4, readings, 3, 4.
Perfecto, siempre genial.
Now we can continue our training together with the next exercise. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, activate notifications so we can train together every single day. Ciao!